Hi again, it's Deidre Green, and you are watching the 30-Day Style Challenge. Thank you so much for joining me and tuning in today. Today is another simple, quick tip that has changed my life. I know because I'm the worst at this. Um, don't let your laundry pile up. Why am I saying that? Because you literally will start to forget what it is that you own, and you will limit your options in the morning when it's time for you to get ready. Or another thing that can happen to you is that you will keep washing the same pile of clothes that's on top in the laundry basket instead of completing all of your laundry and going through an entire cycle of clothing. I know I have done that a couple of times, or I'm just like, God, I don't have any clothes. I keep having to wear the same things. And it's like, oh, because you haven't done all of your laundry in a really long time. So now what I try to do is do one load of laundry every couple of days. It kind of keeps the cycle going and keeps things fresh, and then I stop my laundry from piling up. Some of you are probably like wrinkling your nose up at me and whatever, and I don't care. But I mean, that's it's the truth. I don't like doing laundry, and sometimes I let it pile up, and it causes issues when it's time for me to get dressed in the morning. So I'm just sharing that quick and simple tip with you, and hopefully it helps some of you out there that aren't neat freaks, because I'm one of those people. Sorry. So I hope that helps you. Have a great day.